Good morning from our apartment. You can tell. We are headed to the beach. The GoPro ran out of battery, but here is a nice jungle. Jungle, jungle, jungle. So we got off the trolley. We got off, it is 32nd and Collins Avenue. And now we're gonna head to the beach because it seems quieter. Yep, it's nice. It's very nice. Yeah, this is nice. It almost looks like we have the beach to ourselves.
Yeah.
Almost. We're almost there. We made it to the beach. And what type of vlogger would I be without a time sequence of waves crashing? Some cool rocks over by the ocean. See? Cool. Oh, that's good. The current must be strong because all the seaweed is right there. All of it. It makes the water look black. Just left the beach. Well, kinda. It's still there. But we're gonna be walking on this boardwalk now. Bike's not permitted. This is nice. It's really cool looking. You can see people surfing, parasailing, and cruise ships leaving. We made it to a nice park with the one lone palm tree. One lone palm tree all by itself. But it seems like a nice place. Let's check it out. Look at that, let's find the motorcycle. My God!
So happy Oscar night. Happy Oscar night. Did you have a good day today? You did some good things.
We went to the beach.
And I'm liking the Oscars so far. This is a good Oscar night because, I don't know, maybe it's better because there's no host. I don't know. I can't really tell you, but it's good. It's moving along. So what are we doing tomorrow?
I don't know.
Anything happening tomorrow?
I don't know.
Nothing's happening tomorrow?
What's happening tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow should be good.
Yeah, what's going on tomorrow?
Well, stuff, obviously.
Stuff and things and stuff?
Usually. We always find something to do.
Yeah.
And something new today happened. You went to the beach that you didn't go to. Have you been to...
We went to Mid Beach.
Yeah, we didn't really ever go there before.
No. That was fun. It was nice.
It
was quiet.
I should say tomorrow we are getting another guest
Oh.
for a couple of days. And that should be fun. But more about that tomorrow. And for now...
Monkeys out.